Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video, we're going to be going over avax meerkats. What is it and how you can make some passive income with these NFTs with utility and making some passive income. What else is there to like? You guys like NFTs, you guys like passive income, then you're in the right place, you're at the right video. But guys, before we get into the video, if you could please smash a like, subscribe down below if you are new, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Also guys, go and check out the link in the description to my Twitter at JPKDeFi, where I'm tweeting everything that I'm doing crypto and DeFi before it gets to YouTube. Also, I'm currently hosting a giveaway over on Twitter for a $100 giveaway. So yeah, go ahead, enter that if you are interested. There's a link to my Twitter in the description, and it's the pinned tweet on my Twitter account. But guys, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, avax meerkats. Now, what is avax meerkats? So, using unique tokenomics and price dynamics. So first of all, we're going to go and have a look at this. Okay, time is running out. Baby meerkats are a new paradigm in the NFT verse. The protocol is built on top of Wonderland protocol. You will be needing time and 2 original meerkats in order to be able to mate and create a baby meerkat. Time token, that time token that protocol takes is going to be staked in the Wonderland protocol and make more time for baby meerkat holders. Time fee for minting will increase the ratio of total supply when you release your baby meerkat, and you'll get most of your time back, maybe even more. Amount you will get will also depend on the total supply. If supply increased a lot since you minted, that means you will be getting more than what you paid for. More details, scroll down or read the white paper. So we're going to go ahead and have a look at the white paper, and you can go ahead and get your meerkats, okay? So they do have a new announcement that came out, which we're going to be going over very soon. So pretty much what you do is you get these meerkats, okay? You mate them to have a baby, and then you can then stake that to earn time rewards, which is pretty cool. So baby meerkats, minting will increase the price and burning will decrease the price. If you burn your tokens, you will get the last minting price, excluding the fees for the protocol. This means there is a chance to make money by buying low and selling high. Of course, there's a chance to lose as well, or you can stake your baby meerkat to get 15% of all minting and burning prices. Also, guys, I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Do not take it as financial advice. And also, guys, if you are interested in jumping into avax meerkats, only invest money that you can afford to lose. Do your own research, please. It's so important to do your own research in everything you do in crypto. And yeah, these are the riskiest things out there right now. Introducing Wonderland Vault. Minting price that you pay is going to the Vault. Meerkat Vault is going to stake unused time tokens to earn more time for you. Extra time that Vault has earned are going to be distributed to baby meerkat holders every week together with the minting and burning profit share. Why should you invest? Our protocol is designed to hodl memo reward the participants by using game theoric strategy. Meerkat Vault and staking, 15% of the minting and burning fees are going to the stakers on the protocol. Developers are taking 5% and the rest is going to the Meerkat Vault. 80% of the fees are going to be collected in the Wonderland Vault. Unused time token in the protocol will be staked into Wonderland, and baby meerkat holders will get their shares. Early investor opportunity. If you are an early investor, that means that you have minted your meerkat at a discount. There's an opportunity to burn your tokens at higher rates, get your investment back. By staking your baby meerkat, you are able to get your investment back pretty quick thanks to Wonderland protocol and their huge APY. On-chain generated NFT. First NFT that has price on-chain. Transparent team. What you will earn owning a meerkat. Minting rewards. Daily NFT giveaway. Daily of royalty of 4% of original minters. 10% donation of all profits to WWF. Passive income. Baby meerkat NFT. Passive income that's going from Wonderland protocol. 15% of burning and minting fees is distributed to baby meerkat holders, benefiting from appreciation of time token and stake in Wonderland. Rewards from future projects. Marketplace and raffle fee distribution. Items for our RPG game. 10% reward from our future crypto NFT game project. Profit sharing from the yield aggregator. Here we go. Here is their team. And there we go. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and connect my wallet. There you go. You guys can go read over the white paper if you're interested in seeing this. Now, I would definitely recommend going and reading over this so you can understand how it all works. Okay, so definitely go ahead and read over the white paper. So I'm going to go and connect up my wallet here. So there you go. One thing from the devs is that this is not actually correct. The price on here is not correct. Okay, they are updating it, but just know that the rewards and the figures on this page aren't correct right now. They are being updated though, so just be wary of that when looking at this page. Okay, so there we go. Okay, next reward period starts in 6 days 5 hours, so you basically get your staking rewards every single week. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and have a look at this article here, which is their Medium article, Baby Meerkat event January 24th, which was 9 hours ago, and it's a 1-minute read here. So new event. Hello, we hope this past month has been incredible for you guys, because it sure has for us, surpassing multiple milestones. This month we wanted the opportunity to give something back to our community. We're introducing the Baby Meerkat versus Baby Meerkat event, where you will go head to head against other players to see who can obtain the highest score Baby Meerkat. The event will last for 7 days from January 24th at 6:30 a.m. and ending January 30 at 9:30 p.m. UTC, which is UK time or UTC. I honestly don't know what this stands for, but I know that's the same time zone as I'm in, pretty much. Well, it's the same time. I'm not in the UTC time zone. I'm from the UK, so it's GMT, but it's the same time pretty much. And we'll reward the top scored Baby Meerkat with 50% of the OG Meerkat minting pool, limited to 30 avax. This means that if we mint 100 OG Meerkats, our pool would only be 25 avax available to be rewarded to the top scored Baby Meerkat. Not to mention, our Baby Meerkats are generated entirely on chain and provided a completely random environment with no room for tampering, meaning that even if developers don't know which Baby Meerkat will run, don't know which Baby Meerkat that will win this competition. Okay, so there you go. We hope to see you on the Discord community. Here's a link so you might find interesting, so you can go ahead and follow their Twitter. You go and check out their Discord and their website and their white paper. There's the contract and there's the baby contract as well. So on Twitter they have 5.2k followers, which is pretty cool here. Their pinned tweet here is excited to announce the new leg of the Meerkat's journey. Baby Meerkat hungry. Baby Meerkat want fish. Baby Meerkat needs bait. So it's a pretty cool little game here based on these Meerkats. Okay, pretty cool. So what we're going to do then is we're going to go ahead and stake and mint some Meerkats. We're going to go to my Meerkats. It's going to say I don't have any. So we're going to go ahead and go to the original. Okay, so now we are on the home page of avax Meerkats, and we can go ahead and mint these. So you need at least two sort of babies, two original to mate to make a baby here. But now on the sort of original sort of baby avax Meerkats website. Okay, avax Meerkats is a collection of 10,000 randomly generated avax NFTs for the Avalanche platform. Not only will we have these awesome Meerkat NFTs, you'll also be saving real ones steps. Soon on our site, we'll be able to mint their Meerkats freely. Minting phase. Donation for wildlife protection. Baby Meerkats, we're coming with on-chain generated NFTs that can be minted by mating 2 original Meerkats. Baby Meerkats are coming with a bunch of unique dynamics that you have never seen before. For initial view, please check the white paper. Items for our next big project, and there is the roadmap. So there you go. Okay, this is the original page. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and mint 2 of these here for 1 avax. It costs half an avalanche to go ahead and mint one. So we're going to go ahead and mint 2 of these things. Let's go click mint here. We're going to accept this transaction fee of 1 avax here. Just go ahead and mint those. Now this does take a second, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the recording and come back when it has actually minted. Okay, so transaction completed. So now if we go over to my Meerkats, we should see that I have some Meerkats here. There we go. Avax Meerkat 1640 here. 10,000 randomly generated lovely Meerkats come to town. So it looks like this one is pretty rare. Has a blue leaf background, it has a red body, it has an epic neck, a rare hat, a rare eyes as well, and the mouth is common there and it's rare. And then of course we've got the baby avax Meerkat 1641 as well, which looks like it's a common rarity, which is pretty cool here. So there you go. I've just gone ahead and done that. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and mint these 2 together, or we can go ahead and we can go ahead and put these 2 together to mate a baby. So we're going to go and do that. So now we need to approve time. It costs time to actually do it. It's going to cost us 10 cents in avax to go ahead and improve it, and you need some Wonderland time to actually go ahead and mate these 2 into a baby there. Now if you guys are confused, you can go ahead and look at the white paper if you're interested and don't really understand the whole process. But again, this thing is going to go ahead and take a minute to go ahead and do the mating and mate the baby. Okay, there we go. It's done it already. So we need about $20 worth of time here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Trader Joe and we're going to go ahead and buy some time. So it says I need 0.0236 time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go buy 0.025 just that we have enough. It's going to cost me about 0.4 avax there. So we're going to go and swap this, confirm the swap. It's going to cost basically nothing in gas. So we're going to go ahead and confirm the transaction and wait for that to go through so that we do have our time there. And then we're going to go ahead and continue with the mating the baby, so we can start to earn some of those rewards. So the transaction has gone through. Hopefully it will go ahead and update in just a second here. So just going to wait for our time balance to update, and then we'll be able to get going with the mating of these babies. But guys, are you in avax meerkats? Let me know. Should be pretty cool in terms of, you know, how they go forward and how the rewards earn is pretty awesome. So for some reason, I don't know why it's taking a while to show up. Maybe if we give Trader Joe a refresh, it should actually say it there. Let's go to time. Yes, it's still not updated here. So we're just going to wait until we can see that. I think the transaction is still probably pending. So let me go ahead and pause this until the transaction's actually gone through. And I'll get back to you guys in just a second. Okay, there we go. So we now have our time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over here. And we're going to go ahead and click mate. So we're going to refresh this so it notices that we do have that avax in our wallet. Sorry, the time in our wallet. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and mint this. So we're going to go ahead and confirm that transaction as well. And we're now mating these two avax meerkats together to make a baby meerkat. Let's go ahead and wait for that to go ahead and confirm as well. So there we go. It has now mated our baby avax. Okay. So here we go. Here's our baby meerkat by the looks of things over on original meerkats. We can go ahead and see our baby. So there's today's winner. You guys can go see this today's winner here. Now if we go to my meerkats, we should have our meerkats here, which is cool to see. And let's go ahead and find our baby meerkat there as well. Okay, so going over to the staking then, we can see here is our baby meerkat here. Kudos on chain generated NFT collection in avax is our baby meerkat. Looks like this is a common rarity meerkat here. So we're just going to go ahead and approve the staking, which is going to cost us again some more avax there in fees. And let's go ahead and stake our baby meerkat to then start earning some rewards. So this is how the passive income works. Is you basically pretty much how it works overall is you then mint two meerkats. You then mate them for a baby meerkat, and then you can stake that meerkat in here to then go ahead and start earning some rewards. So the transaction was successful. So now if we go ahead and refresh this, we should see it in our staking pool. I think I've already approved this, so it should go into the staking bit in just a second here. So there you go. Okay, we have now got our baby staked. Pretty cool. Yeah, we're now sort of generating some passive income on here. Which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and just do it again just to make sure. Maybe I was just approving the transaction first. I don't know. I'll pay the extra gas fees as long as if it goes through this time, then that'll be pretty good. But yeah, there you go. Okay, go ahead and stake your baby meerkat into the staking pool. And then there you go. You can start earning some passive income rewards on your baby meerkat, which is pretty awesome there. So guys, let me know down below if you are in this baby meerkats. And there we go. We can go ahead and start claiming our rewards if we wish to do that. Yeah, you will not be earning any rewards until the next reward period there. Okay, so there we go. We're now staking my baby meerkat number 582, and we'll just go ahead and wait for that. So we do again have some. If we go to the home here or original meerkats, you can see that we do actually have our two meerkats down here, or in here we have our two meerkats, which we've now mated them. So I don't believe you can go ahead and mate them again, because you've already sort of mated them. So once you've mated them once, I do believe that is sort of, you've mated them and now you have to kind of wait or generate two new meerkats to go ahead and mate them as well, mate the new ones kind of thing. So there you go guys, let me know what you think of avax meerkats. Go follow me over on Twitter, smash a like if you haven't already on the video, subscribe down below if you are new. And yeah, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, have a good day, let me know what you think down below of avax meerkats. But thanks for watching, see you in the next video, peace.